to a brand new video. Make sure that this video subscribe with notifications on. Most of you are not subscribed, so do that. Anyways, let's get on with the video.
Hey everyone, SMG here. Welcome back to another Glider SML YTP reaction. It's been a minute since I've reacted to Glider. Today we're checking out SML YTP The Flood. If you guys like this video, subscribe, ring the bell, and share. Let's dive right on in.
Jeffy, Brooklyn guy wants us to go fishing. Yes!
Let's go fishing.
Alright, let's go! Tell me why ain't nothing
But a heartbreak. Hurricane Sally.
Right now, so stay inside.
Oh, this. Oh, you mean Hurricane Milton, right?
What is that?
It's a
They're really referencing that.
Why?
Man.
That people don't even think about thinking.
Cody, why is he licking his balls?
Uh-oh. Here comes a flood.
My dad said I was made in.
Guys need to get the high ground now.
Guys, what happened?
No! Oh God! Why?
I just gotta go to the submarine. Well,
Junior,
Rip Joseph. Oh, jeez.
Jesus Christ, Junior.
God. Oh no.
Junior, God damn it! I'm going home.
I didn't.
You can't go home. You're stuck in
Are
there.
you kidding me? You were trapped with no way out.
I hope your cat gets feline leukemia.
What?
Wait, who the fuck is that?
It's Ken.
Oh my God, Ken! Hunky man overboard! Somebody save him!
And a shark.
No! Oh God, why?
Oh. Okay. Fine.
Oh, whew. Oh, thank God.
Don't raise your voice.
Oh, he
like that, or
broke.
I'm gonna have to beat you again.
Come on, Mr. Fishy, I'm bored. I think I got a fishy.
Oh, he's gonna pull him up.
Yes! It's a miracle!
You're saved. What? Jeffy.
Real nice
He didn't know.
showing your ass.
All the pirates.
Oh, Captain! Oh, it's somebody in that damn water.
Put somebody in the water. Go reel him in. Get the net.
Get the pirate.
Yes! It's a miracle! Are you boys okay?
I'm gonna bomb your house and cut your mom's head off.
What? Yeah, Junior.
Junior, God damn it, we're gonna die down here!
Cody, if we die, I hope I'm remembered as an racist.
Junior,
what
the fuck? No! Oh God, why?
1 year later. How are y'all breathing in here?
I had a massive W today.
Junior, I can't do it! I don't want to be here! I want
I
to...
hope your cat gets feline leukemia.
It's been 6 years, dude.
Just about to go surfing. Wait,
50 years?
and there are people in there. Oh my God.
They're dead.
Coming, bros.
They're dead.
I saved you guys.
Yeah, they're dead. They're
I hope
dead.
your cat gets feline leukemia.
Tell me why ain't nothing but...
Oh, jeez, man. Anyways, guys, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, ring the bell, and share. Damn. I'll see you guys next time. Later, guys. Thanks for watching, and deuces.